Hello everybody, this is Chad. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. And today we're going to take a look at the brand new Tamiya 124 scale Ford GT. This is a brand new kit from Tamiya that just now is hitting the online retailers. I saw a glimpse of it a couple months ago, and while I've been sitting here working on some other models and stuff, since you really can't fly during the winter time a whole lot, I wanted to get into building cars again. I haven't built a model car in a few years, and this kit looks amazing. It goes together great, and just the things that they're doing now with paint and everything like that, matching colors and stuff to get the best looking car that you can, is just really incredible. So I've got a few FPV things coming up, as well as some other builds, some Star Wars builds, and a couple other vehicles. Some maybe going to do another car, and possibly even get into a tank as well. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, give me a like. Let's go to the bench and check out this awesome model. So this is it right here. This is the beautiful box art that comes with this kit. We go ahead and open it up, and we are greeted with just amazing Tamiya quality and plastic. Now I've just kind of cut the bags open here just to kind of give you guys a better look as far as what's going on inside this kit. So here is the main body. Really nice little panel lines. Probably going to have to shave those out a little bit so we don't cover that stuff up in with paint. The way that the body's parts connect here, from what I've seen on a build video, is just incredible. There's just barely any mold lines or anything that's there, so this should be just a joy to build. Gonna get started on it here in a couple days once my paint arrives. We have clear parts here, windshield, head marker lamps, that kind of stuff. It also includes masks to go ahead and mask so we can paint the black trim around our tires on model cars have came just a million miles literally in years. I mean, if you take a look at that tire there, just no mold lines or anything at all. Feels really good, really realistic. Doesn't need any weathering at all to make it look just like a nice super car tire. We've got poly caps in there, so they're removable if we ever want to change them. We've got beautiful chrome parts here from Tamiya, the wheels. These just are a perfect shade of chrome. They're not that old fake plasticky type of looking chrome. You can see the nice more body panel parts here that's going to go. We've got the rear end, couple of the rear fenders here, the front. Really cool looking stuff. Again, plenty of extra places to glue, so we don't have to worry about making a mess out of everything while we're building. Got our seats here. We've got our brakes, rotors, and calipers, everything like that. We can paint and detail those out. Got the engine pieces here, front and rear chassis. Really looking good. Great detail. Super excited to put that together. Bottom here, we've got the actual tray, we've got the ground effect pieces, we've got the interior dash, everything like that. Rear molding that goes around the rear window. Got some metal transfers in here, as well as some of the paint masks that I was talking about. And underneath this sheet right here is the actual racing stripes, which are really good. They're really nice and thick. I've seen people putting those down and just getting them to conform and blending those in just like the paint itself. Then we have some basic literature in here in the box. We've got an explanation about the Ford GT and its history, and then we have, of course, the instruction manual to help us get this thing put together. Really simple, comes with like painting guides and everything like that, so you can pre-paint your parts, know exactly what you're going to need to do and where to go for each step, so there's no guesswork. Tell you when you're going to need to do your paint masking and everything before you start placing in. Probably going to work on the whole body itself separately though, so we might be skipping around a little bit, because I want to make sure that every piece on the body has the exact same finish. So this model is going to be super fun to build. I can't wait for those new paints to get here. Going to be trying out splash paints, which splash paints perfectly color matches everything from Lamborghinis to even the colors here. I think I'm going to be doing the liquid red, which is just this deep, almost to black, kind of like glossy deep red that they produce. So got that coming. Gonna do a real couple coats of clear on there to just get a super glossy finish on this thing and just make it like show quality. Can't wait. Hope you stick around. Talk to you guys later.